Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on Amazon Fire Tablet, full guide. Open the Amazon App Store, search Among Us, tap Install, accept permissions, and wait for the app to finish downloading. After installation, tap Open, sign in with your account or play as guest, then allow notifications and storage access if prompted to ensure smooth performance and saved progress. Adjusting controls is easy and will improve your play quickly. Open settings, change sensitivity, sound levels, and graphic quality to match your Fire tablet model and battery preferences. Customize control layout for comfort, enable vibration if you like tactile feedback, and test movement in a free practice lobby. Also check account linking or cloud save options so your progress and cosmetics stay safe if you switch devices later on. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and makes life easier around gaming spaces. I thought it was worth sharing because tidy areas help focus during tense matches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Joining an online game is simple and social, and it keeps the game fun. From the main menu, pick Online, then choose Public to jump into mixed lobbies or Private to play with friends using a code. Adjust lobby rules, player number, imposter count, task difficulty, and meeting cooldowns. If lag appears, switch to lower graphics or close background apps, and consider using a stable Wi-Fi connection for consistent gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.